everyone likes window seat while traveling either in a bus, train or flight. But in most vehicles, you may saw windows are square in shape. But if you notice in a flight, the windows are round in shape. Do you think why it is round in shape? There is a scientific reason behind round windows. In this video, we will explore why aeroplane windows are round. So let's begin. You know one fact, in early 1950s, the plane windows are square in shape. The British aircraft company, the Alvin Comet, introduced new category of passenger aircraft with pressurized cabin in 1950s. The purpose of pressurized cabin is passenger will have sufficient air pressure inside the aeroplane so they won't feel suffocation, and plane can go higher level of atmosphere and faster than other aircraft. This, the Alvin Comet plane had square windows. In 1953, their 3 planes had crashed continuously and around 43 people have been dead. Reason for the crashes is the square windows. So now we will identify why this crash happened. In early 1950s, passenger flight became popular and it started running at higher level of atmosphere to reduce air drag, because at higher level air density will be very less, and to reduce fuel consumption. As plane altitude increases, the external atmospheric pressure drops more than internal cabin pressure. This creates air pressure difference between inside and outside of the plane. Hence, because of pressure difference, the cabin slightly expands, thus creating stress which flows through the aeroplane cabin material. So because of this, material is stretched more and more, and eventually the stress extends very high and material breaks. Breaking of material depends on how the stress flow through the material. So consider, if no window in a plane, there will be no difficulty at flowing the stress, as it can get the continuous path as shown. But when windows are square, the stress caused to concentrate at the corners of the window, which called stress concentration. Let's see the example of stress concentration. When we apply stress on a plane material, then stress will equally distributed at all the places and it flows smoothly through the material, so breaking of the material is very less. But when there is an obstacle like square window on the material, then stress flow needs to change their path. But because of sharp corners of square window, stress will concentrate at corners of square, which causes the cracks in the material, which leads to crash. Hence, this design flaw was corrected by making the aeroplane windows round in shape. Round windows will provide smoother path for stress flow, due to which tension is not produced and stress concentration won't be there in cabin material, hence the aeroplane is safe. Now we get to know why aeroplane windows are round. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.